Are you an online course creator that's looking to add video to your course? Or maybe you already have a course that's out there and you just want to improve the quality with video. I'm here to give you some tips on filming your course video. But first, I want you to grab my 21-day guide to on-camera confidence that's down below. Confidence is the #1 thing that holds women back from going in front of the camera, and it can definitely change your life once you have that on-camera confidence. That guide is free and it's down below. Hi, I'm Brandie Price, and I'm an award-winning image consultant for television and film, and an award-winning celebrity makeup artist. So I have been behind the camera for a really long time, but most importantly, I made that transition about 2 years ago to go on front of the camera, and I'm so glad that I finally made the leap, and I wanna help you make that leap too as a business owner. And because I'm here to help you on a weekly basis, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel where I'll be sharing valuable information weekly to help you grow in your on-camera confidence journey with your course creation experience. Tip #1, just because you're choosing to use video within your course does not mean that the entire course needs to be video content. You just need to have enough video content to be able to grow that like, know, and trust factor, as well as serve your students that are taking the course optimally. So be on video as much as you believe that you need to be on video to make that connection and be able to help them learn exactly what it is you're trying to help them learn, right? So don't overthink this. You can use part video, part slide. We're gonna go through a couple more tips here, but make sure you stay tuned to #5 because it's my absolute favorite. Tip #2, show up confidently in your area of expertise. You are the one that is going to be guiding them through this experience. Your expertise is going to show through in your confidence, and it actually helps you build more credibility. So you want to be able to make that connection with video. Confidence is how you are going to do it, and confidence is the #1 thing that holds most women business owners back, and I don't want that to hold you back. Tip #2, when you are filming your course, it is imperative that you show up in confidence in your area of expertise. Remember, you are the reason why they are here learning from you. You have already got their buy-in because they have purchased your course. Now show up confidently in that area of expertise because you own that authority as far as your client is concerned. The student is going to learn better from you when you show up in confidence, and they're going to see that in your expertise. Now, tip #3 is kind of along the same lines. Don't be afraid to show up with excitement. Of course, you do what you do because you love it. It is okay to show that excitement through the screen, right? They are coming here to see you and the way that you present information. If you show up excited, you're actually going to help them in the learning process and the implementation process of the tools that you are giving them. So don't starve them of that excitement. Go ahead and show up fully, and don't overthink that. Tip #4, go ahead and invite your learners to leave you video feedback. This is specific. You can use video ask, and you will not only get feedback on your video presentation, your course content, you will get testimonials, and these are valuable because you can use these videos in your promotions and repurpose them throughout to build and launch your course the next time. Testimonies are key. Tip #5, which is my favorite, join my On-Camera Confidence for Women Business Owners program. Not only will you have access to my personal help through this program, you will have access to a supportive group of women that can help you launch your course into the world with confidence. Now, my last tip. Go ahead and click on the video that is in screen right now. I'm going to be sharing with you the best equipment for content creation for course creators. Go ahead and click, and we'll see you in the next video.